Hello, class. All right, so this is another question. So when you see a question like this, no one will tell you that this, you just have to think of what to do. So this question is apparently a Pythagoras Theorem question. So the first thing you do, so remember, if you want to solve a Pythagoras Theorem question, your triangle has to be a right angle triangle. Alright? So as you can see, this is a bent isosceles triangle. So we are going to have to split this into two so that we can have our right angle triangle. Alright? So if we split this into two, we are going to have this is what we are going to have. If we split this into two, you will have this to be 14 centimeter and this is 24 centimeter. Now remember, if you split this into two, from here to the other part, let's assume we splitted this into two, was what gave us x. So we are going to, so after splitting this into two, what happens? Because from here to here is our x. So meaning that from here to here will be what? Half of x. So that will be half of x. So from here to here is x. So from here to here will be half of x. And so half of x will be what? That's 1 over 2 times x. That which is x over 2. So here it will be x over 2. So, and we are asked to find x. So by Pythagoras Theorem, our hypotenuse square is equals to opposite square plus adjacent square. So our hypotenuse is 24 square because our opposite is 14 square. Our adjacent is x over 2, right? You have to bracket it square. Do not say x squared over 2. No, this is referring to x squared over 2. But this is x squared over 4. So 24 squared. Okay, let me open that. So 24 squared. So what would that be? That should be 256. Let me confirm. 24 or 576 rather. So that would be 576 equals to 14 squared is 196 plus. So this is x squared over 2 squared. That's the meaning of this. And that's the meaning. So you have so let me say collect like terms. So I will have 576 minus, so 196 will come to this side to change to 196 equals to have x squared over 2 raised to the power 2 is what 2 times, so that's 4. So if you subtract this, so you have 576 minus 196 gives us what? 380 equals to x squared over 4. Then what do you do next? You cross multiply. You cross multiply. So when you cross multiply, 4 will multiply 380. So 380 times 4 will give you 1520. Okay, let me do this. Just see. 380 times 4. 380 times 4 will now be equals to 1 times x squared. So 380 times 4 is 1520 equals to x squared. Or which is x squared equals to 1520. So x naught will be equals to root 1520. And that answer will give us back to 0. Will give us, so our x will give us 38.999. So that is our answer. Alright? So our x is 38.99. Alright, thank you.